Hello everybody. Today let us talk about what is disciplining. Disciplining is basically teaching the child what is acceptable behavior and what is not acceptable. The non-acceptable behavior includes inappropriate behavior like spitting or throwing toys. It also includes dangerous behavior, which means the child touching a hot object or the child running out on street without the assistance of an adult. It also includes aggressive behavior, which means a child hitting the other child or biting the other child. All such behaviors are considered as not acceptable, and disciplining is basically to teach the child to follow rules and behave appropriately. Let us understand three disciplining techniques today. The first of the disciplining technique, use redirection. As the word says, we are redirecting the child's action, which means the child continues the action, but the object, the surrounding, the situation and the experience changes. For example, if a child is hitting the other child, you get a drum in front of the child and tell the child that you can continue hitting, but not on the child, on the drum, which means the child continues his action but on a different object. The second disciplining technique which works wonders is distraction. Distraction is basically taking the attention of the child from the non-acceptable behavior to something which is completely different. For example, if the child is hitting the other child, you take the child from the situation and from the behavior into something completely different, which means you make the child draw. It takes some time for the child to transit to this new behavior, but the child is distracted from the not acceptable behavior and continues working in a favorable condition or a situation. The third disciplining technique that you can use is simply ignore the child. This technique works because most of the children engage in non-acceptable behavior just to get your attention, just to get the attention of their friends or classmates. Good behavior, bad behavior gets attention, and bad behavior will get attention very quickly. For example, if the child is spitting on the child, don't immediately give your attention to the child because that is what he wants. The best thing that you can do is avoid this behavior once or twice. If it persists, then obviously you cannot ignore. But if it happened just once or twice, ignore the behavior. You obviously cannot use this disciplining technique when the behavior is dangerous. For example, if the child is running out on the street or touching a hot object, you cannot ignore the child. But sometimes ignoring the behavior works. Try these three disciplining techniques, and in the next video we will learn about 4 other disciplining techniques. Thank you so much. Happy parenting.